A deep silence hangs over the launch site. The rocket stands motionless against the night sky, illuminated by harsh white lights. It looks calm, but that calm is temporary. Engineers step back, systems are locked, final checks complete. Every calculation has been made, every scenario accounted for. For a brief moment, the entire world seems to pause. Then, ignition. A blinding explosion of light erupts beneath the rocket. Engines awaken with controlled, overwhelming power. Flames expand outward, consuming the launch pad in fire and smoke. The ground begins to shake. The air vibrates. And slowly, the rocket begins to rise. Not quickly, not easily. It fights against the full force of Earth's gravity, a force that has held everything down for billions of years. But this machine was built for one purpose: to break free. This is Artemis 2, the first crewed mission of a new era. For the first time in more than 50 years, humans are leaving Earth orbit and traveling toward the moon once again. As the rocket climbs higher, the noise fades into the distance below. The sky shifts from deep blue to black. The boundary between Earth and space is crossed in minutes, and just like that, the planet begins to fall away. Oceans blur into vast, dark shapes. Clouds become thin white streaks. Cities disappear completely. Earth is no longer a world. It becomes an object. Inside the spacecraft, everything changes. The force pressing the crew into their seats vanishes. Weightlessness takes over. Every movement becomes slow, controlled, deliberate. There is no up, no down, only direction. 4 astronauts now travel farther than any humans have gone in generations, surrounded by nothing but space. The spacecraft they travel in is Orion, a system designed to survive the harshest conditions imaginable. Life support, navigation, communication. Everything must function perfectly, because out here, there is no rescue. There is no immediate return. There is only the mission. Days pass. Time behaves differently in space. There are no familiar rhythms, no natural markers, only cycles of light and darkness as the spacecraft moves through its trajectory. Each maneuver is precise. A small burn of the engines can change everything. A slight miscalculation could send the spacecraft off course. Every action is calculated. Every second matters. And then, something appears. At first, barely visible, a distant gray sphere emerging from the darkness. The moon, growing larger with every passing hour. Its surface is ancient, scarred by impacts that happened billions of years ago. Unchanged, unprotected, exposed to the vacuum of space. There is no atmosphere here, no wind, no water, no life. Only silence. Absolute silence. Artemis 2 does not land. That is not its purpose. Instead, the spacecraft enters a carefully planned trajectory that carries it around the moon. Gravity takes hold, pulling the spacecraft inward, guiding it along a precise arc. For a brief moment, the crew travels to the far side of the moon, a place hidden from Earth. Here, communication stops. No signals, no voices, no connection to home. Only the spacecraft and the vast emptiness beyond it. This is one of the most isolated places any human can ever be. Farther than low Earth orbit, farther than any space station, suspended between 2 worlds. Then, slowly, a faint glow appears over the horizon. Earth, rising into view, small, blue, fragile, a reminder of everything left behind, everything known, everything human. But the journey is not over. The spacecraft must leave the moon's gravity. Engines fire once more, a precise burst of energy, pushing the crew away from lunar orbit and setting them on a path back to Earth. The return is just as critical as the journey out. Speed increases, distance closes, and ahead, a final challenge awaits: re-entry. The spacecraft will strike Earth's atmosphere at extreme velocity. Friction will ignite the air around it. Temperatures will rise to thousands of degrees. For a moment, the capsule will be surrounded by plasma, cut off from communication once again. A controlled fall through fire. Every system must hold, heat shields must endure, trajectory must remain exact, because even the smallest error could mean failure. But if everything works, if every calculation is correct, if every system performs as expected, the spacecraft will slow, parachutes will deploy, and the capsule will return safely to Earth, splashing down into the ocean. Mission complete. But Artemis 2 is not just a mission, it is a test, a validation of technology, systems, and human endurance. It is a bridge between past and future, between Apollo and what comes next. Because this journey is only the beginning. The next missions will go further. They will land. They will build. They will stay. Artemis 2 proves that humanity is ready to leave Earth orbit once again, not just to visit the moon, but to return to it, and this time to go beyond.